Have you ever bought a kitchen faucet that looked amazing online, but ended up splashing everywhere, showing water spots, or feeling cheap after a few months? Today, we're taking a close look at the Pfister Barulli Kitchen Faucet with pull-down sprayer and soap dispenser to see if it's actually worth your money or just another good-looking disappointment. Stick around until the end because I'll tell you who this faucet is perfect for and whether it deserves a spot in your kitchen. Product features: the Pfister Barulli Kitchen Faucet, model F5297BARGS, is designed to combine style, durability, and everyday convenience. First, it features a high-arc spout that gives you plenty of clearance for filling large pots and cleaning big pans. The spout rotates a full 360 degrees, making it great for double sinks or multitasking in a busy kitchen. The pull-down sprayer includes both stream and spray modes, controlled by an easy toggle button right in your hand. Plus, the nozzles are wipe clean, so mineral buildup can be removed with just a quick swipe of your finger. One standout feature is Pfister's MagnaFit Advanced Spray Head Docking System. It uses powerful magnets to securely lock the sprayer back into place, while auto-align technology ensures it docks perfectly every time. No awkward adjustments needed. The faucet also comes with a coordinating soap dispenser and a decorative deck plate, giving your sink a clean, built-in look. In terms of durability, the Spot Defense stainless steel finish helps resist fingerprints, smudges, and water spots, keeping the faucet looking cleaner longer with less effort. Inside, you get Pfister's Perfever Seal ceramic disc valve, which is designed to never leak, along with 36-inch integrated supply lines so you don't have to buy extra connections. And finally, installation is simplified with PFast Connect plus a quick install tool to reduce setup time, even for DIY homeowners. Pros and cons. Pros: high arc 360-degree rotating spout offers excellent clearance and flexibility. Magnetic spray head docking keeps the sprayer secure and aligned. Spot Defense finish resists fingerprints and water spots. Includes matching soap dispenser and deck plate. Leak-free ceramic disc valve for long-term reliability. Quick and easy installation, even for beginners. Cons: single-handle design may not appeal to fans of traditional dual-handle faucets. Premium features mean it's not the cheapest option on the market. Spot Defense finish still needs occasional cleaning to stay spotless. Overall review. Overall, the Pfister Barulli Kitchen Faucet with pull-down sprayer and soap dispenser is a well-built, thoughtfully designed faucet that focuses on real-world usability. It's especially great for homeowners who want a modern look, low-maintenance finish, and smooth everyday performance without worrying about leaks or complicated installation. If you cook often, wash large cookware, or just want a faucet that stays clean and works flawlessly, this one is absolutely worth considering. If this review helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest kitchen upgrades and honest reviews. You'll find the product link in the description below if you want to check the latest price or availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.